Welcome students, another session of the writing section, and that is report writing. Earlier when we did article, I told you article is a compilation of facts. And what is report writing? About an event or something which has already happened and we are reporting about that event. When we read newspapers daily, what are we reading? We are reading reports. So those reports are written in which tense? Past tense or present perfect tense. But in our case it is past tense because it has already happened. It has already taken place and we are merely reporting it. So as we know, in this case, we must write the name of the person who is reporting the particular event. So there are two types of reports in your course of the board exams. One is the report of an event, the report of an accident. But in case of events, either you will be asked an event for the school magazine or you will be asked the event for the newspaper, or accident for the school magazine, accident for the newspaper. Now where is the basic difference? The basic reports are two, either an event or an accident. But if the event is asked for the school magazine, we can of course, because it's the school's magazine and everybody who is going to read this magazine is attached to the school. Then in that case we can use words like we can use words like our. Like if we are describing that the annual function took place in our school, so we can say the annual function of our school was celebrated. Our school principal, our school teachers, this is how we are going to write. If the same event is reported for the newspaper, it is entirely written in the third person. How? We say the annual function of that particular school was organized. The students of that school, like that. So it is entirely written in which person? The third person. So basic reports are to either an event or it is an accident. In case of accidents also you can be asked for the newspaper or for the school magazine. Now how to write the report, that we have to understand. The first thing that we need to write is the headline. Now where is the difference between a heading and a headline? Like the same example which I take, the annual function of the school is celebrated. If I write the headline, annual function, wrong, because that is a heading. Now I have to write what? Celebration of annual function or annual function celebrated in the school. So that is a headline. Otherwise it becomes a heading. So we should understand the difference between a heading and a headline. So we are writing a headline. Now after writing it, just below it we write the byline. This byline comes in the bracket. You can see here I have written here by XYZ. Whosoever's name is given in the question paper, we write that particular name here. Otherwise we write XYZ. And close to it we have to clearly mention whether this report is written for the school magazine or it is written for the newspaper, because the examiner is going to check the report according to what is written over here. So 99% they mention to you that this is wherein you have to write the report for. If by chance it is not mentioned, you can mention anything over here and the examiner will check the report according to what is written over here. So you have to write by XYZ for the school magazine. If it is for the newspaper, you will write by XYZ for the newspaper. Wrong. By XYZ for the name of the newspaper. Like you can see here, I have written here the Times of India. So that we have to write over here. Then we close the bracket. After that, there should be at least 4 paragraphs in our write-up of report. Because when we change paragraphs, of course, our report is a balanced and it is in an orderly manner. So the first paragraph is the introductory paragraph. What to write in that? You have to answer 4 questions over there. What are these 4 questions? First, what, when, where, why. What happened? When did it happen? Where did it take place? And why. So we can write why in the present tense also, that's up to us. But we have to write this in 1 or 2 sentences, and that is our introduction of the report. Now after that comes para 2, para 3. So para 2 and para 3 will answer just one question, and that is how. How did the event or the accident take place? So we write here, so just now I am explaining for event, so let us see here. How means the beginning of the event, the preparation of the event, then the welcome of everybody, okay. Then the second paragraph you can write the middle part of the event. Second and third you can combine into one. You can say, okay, this was the middle part of the event, then towards the last the thanksgiving, then the feeling of everybody, and this feeling of everybody is the general conclusion. So is report writing easy for students? Many students find report writing easier as compared to an article, because in an article they think that we have to just fish for ideas, getting the causes, effects and remedies. But in case of a report writing, they don't have to think of anything, because they continuously keep on getting the ideas of a particular event. Now you can see here one solved example is there, and this solved example is that one tree plantation drive was organized in the school. So you can see here by Mohit, Eco Club Secretary, and for the school magazine. You can see the complete introduction over here. After that the beginning part of it, how it started, then the middle part of it, you can see the end of it, and then towards the last you can see one general conclusion that such programs should be organized in every school so that children attach themselves to the environment around and protect trees. Okay, so this is how we complete the report. Now if you can see here some unsolved examples are there, 2017 paper, 2014 paper and 2010 paper. I have given you all the reports. See, report writing was there earlier, and in the intervening years of 2013-14 somewhere report writing was removed from the syllabus. So in those question papers you will not find, so it was I think so after 2014 that the report writing was removed, deleted from the syllabus. So you will not find any examples over there in those question papers. But after that it was again introduced, although it was of 10 marks earlier. This year report writing is of 5 marks. Okay, so you can see here the next report writing is of accidents. Format is the same, headline. You can see here by XYZ. Now for the Times of India I have written here, because usually report writing for accidents would be asked for the newspaper only. Okay. Now one change you can see here. In event, we started writing what, when, where and why. I mean we started the report with that. Here first of all you should mention the date and the place where the accident took place. Like you will say, ma'am, we'll again mention it in para 1. But there you will write the specific place, and here you will write the place where that particular place belongs to. Like if we are writing about Udaipur, we'll write the date, we'll write the places Udaipur. Then in Udaipur where the accident took place, that will come in para 1. The para 1 will again answer the 4 questions: what, when, where and why. Why means the reason, like it was a negligibility of the driver, or it was some vision issues or something like that, or it was drink and drive case or something. So there you will write the reason. Para 2, how the accident took place. If there is any eyewitness, we'll write about the eyewitness also, or any person who was there inside and then saw the accident or felt this was there, that person's report also can be written over here. Para 3, we will write the scene at the site of the accident. Like you can say the luggage was all strewn around, the children were crying, then some people were lying there groaning with pain, bleeding. These all things can be written. The site of the accident more or less is the same. After that, para 4 consists of the rescue operations. Now here we have to be careful. Normal rescue operations are the ambulance rushed to the place, the police arrived on the scene, everything, like the villagers or the people nearby, they rushed to that particular spot, everybody started to help each other. These all things are there. But if it's a government vehicle, then in that case there are certain things which have to be added. And what is that? Like if it's a government vehicle, the concerned ministry, they express their sorrow or the grief over their accident, then they set up an inquiry commission, and then they announce the compensation amount. Like for the seriously injured, for the people who died during that accident, all these things are to be mentioned if it's a government vehicle. If it is not, we will just write about the rescue operations, that's it. You can say that all the injured people were rushed to this particular hospital. You can mention the name of the hospital, the number of the hospital, I mean the phone number of the hospital. These all things can be written over here. So when we write this sort of a report, the best thing is to refer to any newspaper report which is there regarding a particular accident. Pick up any English newspaper and you will find a very good report written over there with good vocabulary. So that can be the best help to the students. And why is report writing given to you? It is a checkpoint whether you people read newspapers or not. So those who read newspapers, they very fluently keep on writing report because their eyes are accustomed to seeing that particular report. So those who are in the habit, they find it very easy to write report writing, and although it's in past tense, so it becomes all the more easier. You can see here one unsolved example has been written over here. You can see bus mishap leaves several injured. You can see it's a headline, reporter, then the name, the date is written, the place is written. You can see here the complete report writing is done. Clear? And then a general conclusion: such accidents can be avoided if traffic rules are strictly followed and the drivers are more vigilant. You can see over here 3 unsolved examples are there: the Delhi 2014 paper, All India 2012 paper, and 2011 paper. So I've given you the whole gist of how to write a particular report. Now there was a sudden change when one year the newspaper report that was asked was that you were taken to a place of historical interest. You were the head boy. Now draft a particular report of how the students were taken, how you saw all those things there, and draft a complete report for the school magazine. So then in that case, it's a different question, because otherwise we are in the habit of writing events which are happening inside the school premises. But it can be any event outside the school premises also. Like tree plantation drive I was talking about. Like this particular event, you were taken to a particular place. How you felt that time. So some good words should be prepared by you, and they should be there in your mind before you write a report. So the best thing is this, that we prepare ourselves, okay, this is how an event is asked, and I should be able to write a good event before I go to appear for my board exams. Okay, so now I think so this report writing is very clear to you. Thank you.